I'm Leah Chamberlain, and today we're going to a commercial job site to see one of our Demand Duos installed in a multi-family complex. So come on and enjoy the ride. Let's buckle up and get going. Okay, so we're here. Safety first. You gotta wear your hat. Here I am next to our CHS1991. This is a 100. It is actually the generation just before our new H series. So it has a few features that are missing in comparison to our H series, but this unit is actually feeding a multi-family complex here. It is actually under construction as we speak. But this is being used in an application where there's multiple units, and this will be feeding their domestic water needs. So their domestic hot water needs, that is. It actually gives you 317 gallons within the first hour, and that's actually at a Delta 100. And what's great about this is that the heating is happening all in the tankless unit on the front. No elements are inside, so there's not a reheating and heating, expansion and contraction happening within the tank. The life expectancy is a lot longer with this unit in comparison to your standard tanks that are out there. This is our Demand Duo product. It is feeding a multi-family complex in Prescott, Ontario.